Hello all and welcome back to my YouTube channel RKS EduTech. Today in this video I brought some good news from two companies, Infrastretch and Unisys. So before diving into the video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, in my channel I will upload a series of videos on hirings and share my programming knowledge and share my personal experience in software industry through videos. So to stay connected, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon and watch the video till end to do not miss any details and to press the like button. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video.
So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
The first company hiring details I'm going to explain is Infrastretch. So those who don't know the Infrastretch company, the Infrastretch company is a digital engineer innovation and implementation company. They will use some of the latest technologies such as AI, machine learning. So coming to job description, they are looking for a QA engineer and they must have a basic knowledge on software testing. So if anybody has done any software testing projects during their academic year, it will be a big plus point for them to applying for this job. Coming to experience details, they are looking for software engineers from 0 to 2 years. That is, if you are a fresher also, you can apply for this job. Here they have given the job description. The candidate should have 0 to 1 year of functional testing, as I explained. If you are a fresher, as I explained earlier, if you have done any project related to software testing, it will be a huge plus point for you and should have a strong knowledge on testing concepts, defect management, testing process and testing lifecycle. And the person should be able to create a detailed, comprehensive and well structured test cases and able to identify, record and track bugs, all those things, and should be able to perform regression testing, and he should be able to work in agile environment. So if you don't know what agile means, in my upcoming videos I will create a separate video on agile and explain you what agile means in the software industry. And so to stay connected me over there also, and should have a good communication skills that everyone must possess. So to apply for this job, just click on apply, and they are asking for our country of residence. We are Indian, just select other. Let's quickly go through what are all the details they are asking in the registration. They are asking us to upload a resume and our personal details, first name, last name and email address and preferred location. So what is your preferred location, you can select over here. There is Hyderabad and Ahmedabad in India, Bangalore. If you are working in any company and if you are on a notice period, you should give the notice period. So for the freshers who don't know what notice period is, when you join the software industry or a software company, if you want to resign that company and join another company, the present software company in which you are working will keep you in a notice period from 1 to 3 months. It may be, it varies from company to company. So that you have to serve that notice period of 1 to 3 months, and later you can join the another company. So if you are in a notice period, please mention the notice period in the number of days, not in months. And if you have any if you have any persons working in Infrastretch, you can give the reference name and referred email ID, and you may upload your social profile also, and additional files such as if you have done any certifications, you can attach those files too, and just click on send application. That's it, we are done with our application for the Infrastretch. So coming to our second hiring, Unisys is offering applications in Bangalore. Those who don't know what Unisys is an American based software company. So let's quickly go through the details. So in this hiring also, they are expecting a person to write and run the test cases. So you must be aware about writing and running those test cases also, and fix the defects in the defined areas of code. And you should be able to work effectively in virtual teams, because nowadays in this pandemic situation, everything is happening through virtual only. So you should be able to adapt to that virtual world and participate in innovation activities as a part of team. So coming to qualification details, the graduates from computer science and electrical and electronic graduates are eligible to apply for this job, and there is no experience required at all. If you are a fresher, you can apply for this job, And if you have done any kind of internships during your academic year, it will add a huge weightage to you, and a basic and a knowledge of engineering concepts and ability to work in global team. You must be a team player, and one must possess a good verbal, written and verbal communications nowadays. To apply for this job, we just need to click on apply now. So in the application, there are 5 steps for this registration. You have to provide your information and your experience and application questions and the voluntary disclosures. And before submitting your registration, there is a review phase before clicking on the submit. If you have any kind of doubts in any step of this registration, do feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try to reply back to your query. So that's it for this video, guys. Before signing off, if you like this video, please like the video and press the subscribe button to connect me in my next videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.